Using a card reader is a straightforward process that allows you to access and manage the data on your memory cards. To get started, ensure you have a card reader compatible with your memory card type, such as SD, micro SD, or CF cards. First, insert the memory card into the card reader, making sure it is properly aligned and seated in the slot. Next, connect the card reader to your computer using a USB cable. Your computer should recognize the card reader and the memory card, and it will appear as a removable drive in your file explorer. Once the card reader is connected, you can access the data on the memory card by navigating to the removable drive in your file explorer. From here, you can view, copy, and manage your files, just like you would with any other drive on your computer. To transfer files from the memory card to your computer, simply select the files you want to transfer, and then drag and drop them into the desired folder on your computer. You can also use the copy and paste functions to transfer files. When you are finished using the card reader, make sure to safely eject the device from your computer to prevent data loss or corruption. To do this, right-click on the removable drive and select Eject, or use the Safely Remove Hardware icon in your system tray. Best practices for using a card reader include always handling the memory card by the edges to prevent damage, and never removing the card from the reader while it is being accessed by the computer. It is also a good idea to regularly clean the card reader and memory card to prevent dust and debris from accumulating and causing problems. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and safely use a card reader to access and manage the data on your memory cards. Remember to always handle your memory cards and card reader with care, and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for any specific requirements or recommendations.